Hey everybody, it's Erin Reed, and today we're going to talk about organization. So this is all about our die organization. I have done a couple other videos and I seem to always be collecting more dies. So instead of doing just small things to kind of patch my problem, I decided to go with a nice big unit. This unit comes from Totally Tiffany. They are trays that pull out. I mean, just take a look at this, look at that. And then these are magnetic strips. So I can go from being organized like this mess, which has literally been in a little container or in some plastic sheets. I can't even tell what they are. They're all a giant mess. I mean, look, it's a mess. And I can go from this and put it in here, just like this. All right, so there's your sneak peek about what it all looks like. So how did I get from there to where I just showed you? So it's as simple as that. Basically, you have these sheets, and of course, the links are gonna be down below. So this is a sticky side, and this, well, let's just go ahead and place it down. And it is magnetic. So let me just show you. This is another strip. I'm just gonna pull a small die for you. And look, they're magnetic sheets. They just happen to have a sticky piece on it. Now I have mine laying horizontally. So let me show you, like, you can get it right in the picture. So here you can see the width of it. And each one of these little drawers pulls out, which means you can label your drawers. And guess what? If you just put a little bit of something sticky here, you can label them. You can relabel them, relabel them, relabel them, however you want. And right now at Totally Tiffany, their shipping for $35 and over is free, which is awesome. But again, links are down below. Links are down below. They're all affiliate links, which means I make a commission. Only if you purchase something. Just because you go check it out does not mean that it costs you anything more. So once you put your strips on, and you can do, look at the amount of magnetic sticky strips. This is just some of them. You can place them as minimal as you want. So you could go, or you could just do, look at this drawer just keeps on going and going. Or you could do this. It really depends on the size of the dies that you're placing within. Let me grab that before I lose it. It depends on the size of the dies that you are trying to do. So if I'm doing all large dies, I only need like one to hold this thing in place, just so it doesn't slide around as I slide this thing out and in. Here's the cool part. I have a massive Kallex system that I have in my scrap room. This unit, either fitting horizontally, meaning flat, or vertically going upright, because these units work upright. Let me flip it over and let me show you. Here's this unit vertical, and look, and the die is not falling off. You can still see it there. Let me get that out of the way. So look, the die is still on here. It is not falling off. I could even put other ones. They're holding true. Look at this one. Now, I would probably want to put another strip right here because this one doesn't have enough to hold it on because, oh, there it goes. So if you just get on it perfectly, but look, it can go vertically, which means you could get two of these units and either put them in vertically in your big Kallex IKEA system, or you can do them horizontally. It is totally up to you. So if you wanted to do one unit, you could have something else on the side of this at the same time. If you wanted to do two units, you could have something, it would all be die system. There are 10 of these little pull systems on here. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna load them and show you what they look like when they're done. All right, so I've only done like the top 3 sections. Look how many more strips I still have left. I still have a bajillion strips. There is definitely a trick to the strips. There is a shiny side, which is the magnetic side, and then there is a dull side. And the dull side is the one that's got the peel off. And it is really, really simple to peel off. Sticks super easy, so here's one I've already done. Here's the next one. I know I need one towards the front and label it. Now, here's what I've done so far. And I don't know if I'm organizing it this way, but what I've decided to do is about 4 to 5 strips per drawer here. So here you can see I've done 4. Oh, there's a 5th in the back. I still have room. Look, there's still room, right? Here's the next one. Again, still room, and I haven't even put the 5th strip on yet. I've just done 4 strips. So I haven't even gotten close to. Plus, you can get pretty creative. You've got a big circle, and this is a set right here. This is for the snowman set. You can get pretty creative about how you're placing the dies within themselves. So you can definitely place the rings within the rings. Makes life super, super easy. Now, how do I plan to organize these? I don't know if I want to organize them by brand. I'm tempted to do words. I'm tempted to do maybe by holidays, like Christmas, Halloween, Thanksgiving. I don't think I have any Thanksgiving. I don't know. Maybe it's just generic shapes. I love these pull drawers. I can relabel as I need to. It fits within the system I already have, which is my big giant IKEA Kallex unit. And I have plenty of these magnetic strips, which came with this unit. So, and this is only 1 and 2 fit in my Kallex, so I might be getting a second one. I will have to see. So So thanks so much for stopping by and seeing how I can organize my dies in a much easier way. Now I can pull them out, I can see them. If they're in my unit, I can see them a whole lot easier, more likely to use them. Links are down below where you can find your own die storage unit from Totally Tiffany. Love this thing. Thanks so much for stopping by. Please subscribe, hit that bell button, and I'll see you guys again later. Bye, everybody.